Welcome to our English lesson today. We'll be honing our listening and speaking skills while also picking up some interesting vocabulary and expressions. Our story for today revolves around a day in the life of Emily. Emily's daily routine. Emily is an early riser. She loves the tranquility of the morning. Her day begins promptly at 6:01 a.m. As she wakes up, Emily takes a few minutes to meditate, allowing her to start the day with a peaceful mind. Following her morning meditation, she heads to the bathroom to brush her teeth and take a refreshing shower. Afterward, she carefully selects her outfit for the day, always leaning towards comfortable attire. Breakfast time is a special moment for Emily. She enters the kitchen and often finds her mom busy preparing a delicious breakfast for the family. Together with her parents, Emily enjoys a hearty breakfast, complete with freshly squeezed orange juice, her all-time favorite. Once breakfast is done, Emily checks her daily schedule and prepares for her day at school. She commutes using public transport, taking the bus. The bus ride can be quite lively in the mornings, with people chatting and the city bustling with activity. At school, Emily has a variety of classes, including science, math, and literature. Her favorite subject, however, is literature. She finds it fascinating to delve into stories from the past and understand how societies and cultures have evolved over time. Literature class is the highlight of her week. During lunch break, Emily joins her friends in the school cafeteria. They share stories, laughter, and sometimes even their meals. In the afternoon, Emily continues with her classes, absorbing knowledge and participating actively in discussions. When the final bell rings and school is over, she heads back home. Upon arriving home, Emily dedicates herself to completing any homework assigned by her teachers. This ensures that she can enjoy the evening without any academic worries. Dinner is usually served at 7 p.m., and Emily's mom often surprises the family with a delightful dessert. Emily's ultimate indulgence is a slice of creamy chocolate cake. After dinner, Emily unwinds by playing her favorite video games or getting lost in the pages of a captivating book. She cherishes these moments of relaxation. Emily's bedtime routine starts around 9 p.m. She changes into her cozy pajamas, brushes her teeth, and climbs into bed, ready to drift into a peaceful slumber. Emily usually falls asleep quickly, except on weekends when she occasionally stays up late to catch up on her beloved TV series. Now that we've explored Emily's daily routine, let's enrich our vocabulary with some interesting words and expressions from the story. Early riser. Someone who wakes up early and feels active in the morning. Tranquility. A state of peace and calm. Selects, chooses carefully. Hearty. A satisfying and substantial meal. Public transport. Transportation services available to the general public, such as buses or trains. Lively. Full of energy and activity. Indulgence. Something enjoyable that is considered a luxury. Captivating. Attracting and holding attention in an interesting way. I hope you enjoyed this story and the new vocabulary you've learned today. Keep practicing your English skills and you'll continue to improve. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more engaging lessons. Thanks for joining us today.